Hi muna tayo sa mga kasama natin sa Jollibee. Never pa ako nakakuha ng order. Gusto kong makakuha ng order dyan. Dami nag-aantay ha. Dami nag-aabang ng mga delivery guys.
Turn it off. Turn it on.
Good, good. Yeah, but no orders today.
GoPro.
Yeah, I'm just vlogging.
Okay, that's nice.
I'm just doing some vlog, like 2-3 orders a day is fine. Go. I have work. Yeah.
Okay. Same place.
Yeah, same place. So like at 4 p.m. I go there.
Okay.
Hi Kenneth. Oh, grabe.
What's the page name?
Yeah, Cycling Nation.
Cycling Nation.
Yeah, that. I go ahead.
Alright. Nice to see you.
Hanggang oras ka? 4. Good. Hi Chayma. Yun, nakakuha tayo order sa Jollibee. There. Thank you. You know. Hi, auntie. Sorry. Tukesh. So these are my friends. Yeah.
How are you? Oh my God, you have a camera?
Yeah, I'm doing. Oh.
Mahulog yung ano mo, usang phone mo. So, how's work? Okay?
Yeah, good. Ano lang to? Nagbablog lang ako. Paunti-unti.
That's great.
Done
You're
this.
looking really good.
Thank you. Hi.
I see like that.
See you, see you. Yan, dami ng mga Pinoy.
Ayan.
Say hello to the vlog. Mga Pinoy, joke. Yan, nakakuha tayo ng first order sa Jollibee. Pinoy siguro to. Nakapatay pala. Kaya walang hatak.